औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 70 युबय्यिनु लना मा हिया इन्नल बकरा तशाबहा अलैना व इन्ना इंशाअल्लाहु लमुहतदून. Translation: They said, "Call upon your Lord to show us what it is. Indeed, call looks alike to us, and indeed we, if Allah will be guided." Word to word translation: Kalu, they said, Adu, call upon, lana, for us, Rabbaka, your Lord, Yubayinu, to show, lana, to us, ma, what, here it is, inna, indeed, al-Baqara, the cow, tashabahu, looks like, alayna, to us, wa inna, and indeed, in, if, sha'a, wills, Allah, lamuhtadun, will be guided. Explanation and reason for the revelation. In this verse, the children of Israel continue to express their hesitation and skepticism regarding the cow, and they were commanded to slaughter expectations for the murder that has occurred among them. They express their difficulty in distinguish between different cows. The reason for the revelation of this verse is to highlight the reluctance and skepticism of children of Israel in carrying out the commandment of Allah, even after Prophet Musa provided them with necessary instruction. Despite Prophet Musa's explanation them specific characteristic of the cow, the children of Israel persisting in seeking further clarification, they expressed their difficulty in distinguish between cow, indicating their reluctance to comply with the commandment. Their response reflects their lack of faith and their tendency to question and doubt the directives of Allah and His Prophet. However, they also acknowledge that if it is Allah's will, they will be guided and comply with His commandment. Prophet Musa, in response to their request for clarification, may have reiterated the instruction given to him by Allah and sought further guidance from Allah. This demonstrates his patience and commitment to fulfilling Allah's commandment, despite the skepticism and reluctance of his people. Overall, in this incident serve as a reminder of the importance of obedience and trust in Allah's commandment, even when they may seems difficult or unconventional. It highlights the tendency of human being to question and doubt divine directives and the importance of submitting to Allah's will with sincerity and humility.